Go.
My name is Miguel,
My name is Jean-Pierre.
and we did both a calculator and a bank application. For the first project, we did a calculator application, which has functions to add, subtract, divide, multiply, and find the area of triangle, square, rectangle, and a circle. This would be the calculator application. First, we'll run through some addition, then we'll clear it, go through some subtraction, division, go through subtraction, then do some multiplication. We also incorporated the area functions. So for example, if you were to have nothing set here, you'll get an error for not having anything set. Say you have a negative number in there, it tells you that the numbers must be positive. And if you have, let's say, some letters in there, tells you that the input must be numbers. And then it's the same for all of the radio buttons. For example, the radius must be a number, side length must be a number for square, and then the same for the triangle. And then if you do the same for negative numbers, they're all incorporated into each one. And then also for clearing, the clear button, say you wanted to delete, and then that would be our calculator app.
I'm gonna unmute and then you just mute yourself. So I'll share screen. Okay, I'll be going through the banking app, but I'm gonna have to share my screen. Let's see. You're gonna have to take your screen off. Okay. So actually, uh, okay, I'll just go through the banking app. Okay, so our banking app basically is just a kind of account and balance bookkeeping app. So essentially, the first thing you do is just create an account. You can log in if you've already created an account. Just select enter. A bunch of account details come up that you have to input. I'll do this as an example. Jean-Pierre, age 24, address. Here's, and then do 211. And then let's say I am pretty rich. And then you do the create balance. It'll give you a welcome message and it'll create a random PIN number for you. Or I mean, not PIN number, account number for you. And which will then prompt a select transaction type, which you can have three options: deposit, withdraw, and you can show your balance. If you choose to deposit, it'll pull down a drop down and you can just input a number and complete transaction, and it'll spit out what your available balance is. Uh, um, if you don't input anything on the name, age, or address boxes, it will be incorporated exception handling to basically send out error messages, which I can show there. I think if I create an account, it'll tell you to please enter valid information. And not only that, but the information that you do enter and the account balances, the resultant account balance from continuous withdrawing and depositing will be basically displayed into a CSV file, which I could probably pull up here on PyCharm project, and it will be right here on user info. As you can see, everything that I put. Oh, sorry, let me share my screen real quick. Share screen. New share. So as you can see now, as you can see now, all the user info that I put in has been transferred to the CSV file. And that completes the trial for the bank app. So then we'll go on to here. Let me unshare this, and then we'll go back to what we learned.
All right. So the knowledge we learned over creating both applications was that we learned a lot over PyQt and how to create applications, the UI interfaces. We also learned a lot about the importance of exception handling with giving you errors and raising value errors, type errors, and also how to push and extract from CSV files while also updating specific lines as demonstrated in the banking app. And that's all.
There we go. Yeah, yeah, let me stop the recording.